Hi friends, this is 5 minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take background blur image in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and you have to keep the camera mode in portrait. Click on portrait. Now shoot your picture. Here, I would like to shoot this picture. I take a picture. Okay. Now I take another picture. Open the picture that you took and see the picture. Subject is clear and background is blurred. See here. Subject is very clear and background is blurred. See it in the other picture. Wow, very nice picture. So in this way, you can easily take background blurred image in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. What you got to do is just you got to select portrait option in camera mode and then you can shoot your picture and the subject will be focused and background will be blurred. In this way, you can easily take background blurred image in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.